What if I told you that right now, while you are watching this video, thousands of people around the world are making money using AI tools that most people have never even heard of? And the crazy part? Most of these tools are completely free. Today I am revealing 5 AI tools that can make you rich in 2026. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will never think about making money the same way again. AI is not the future anymore. It is the present. And the people who understand this early are the ones building real wealth right now. You do not need a degree. You do not need experience. You do not need a lot of money to start. You just need the right tools and the right strategy. Let us get into it. Tool 1. ChatGPT. Your 24-hour 7 days a week money-making assistant. If you are not using ChatGPT to make money yet, you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Here is what people are actually doing with ChatGPT right now. Writing blog articles and selling them for $50 to $200 each. Creating social media content for businesses and charging $500 per month. Writing email sequences for companies and earning $1,000 per project. Building entire online courses and selling them on Udemy. One freelancer on Fiverr made over $10,000 in 3 months just by offering ChatGPT-powered content writing services. The key is not to use ChatGPT as a copy-paste machine. Use it as your thinking partner. Give it a niche. Give it a goal. And let it help you produce work 10 times faster than your competition. Tool 2. ElevenLabs. Turn your voice into a money machine. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator that sounds so real, most people cannot tell the difference. YouTubers are using ElevenLabs to create faceless channels in multiple languages. They upload the same video in English, Spanish, Hindi and Arabic and multiply their income by 4 times. One creator reported earning over $3,000 per month from a single faceless YouTube channel using AI voiceovers. Businesses are also paying $200 to $500 to have their marketing videos narrated professionally. You can offer this service today using ElevenLabs. Tool 3. Midjourney. Sell art without being an artist. Here is something that would have been impossible just 3 years ago. You can now create stunning professional quality images using just a text description and sell them for real money. Midjourney is an AI image generator that turns your words into beautiful artwork in seconds. People are making money with Midjourney by selling AI art on Etsy for $5 to $50 per digital download. Creating book covers for authors on Fiverr for $50 to $200 each. Designing social media graphics for businesses at $300 per month. Creating print-on-demand products like t-shirts and mugs on Redbubble. One designer on Etsy made over $15,000 in 1 year selling AI-generated digital art with zero design experience. Tool 4. Pictory AI. Turn text into videos and get paid. This is the tool that most people have never heard of, but it is quietly making people rich. Pictory AI converts any text or script into a professional video automatically. You paste your article or script. Pictory finds matching stock footage, adds captions, adds music, and produces a complete video in minutes. A content agency in the USA is using Pictory to produce 50 videos per month for clients, charging $100 per video. That is $5,000 per month from one tool. Tool 5. Jasper AI. The tool businesses are paying for. Jasper AI is a professional AI writing tool built specifically for businesses and marketers. Companies are paying freelancers $500 to $2,000 per month to manage their content using Jasper. Here is what you can offer. Writing weekly blog posts for businesses. Creating Facebook and Instagram ad copy. Writing product descriptions for e-commerce stores. Building complete email marketing campaigns. The beauty of Jasper is that it produces content so good that businesses keep coming back month after month, giving you stable recurring income. Let us quickly recap the 5 AI tools that can make you rich in 2026. Number 1. ChatGPT for content writing and freelancing. Number 2. ElevenLabs for voiceovers and YouTube channels. Number 3. Midjourney for selling AI art and design services. Number 4. Pictory AI for video creation services. Number 5. Jasper AI for business content and recurring income. Here is the truth that most people never accept. The internet has created more millionaires in the last 10 years than any other time in human history. And AI is about to do the same thing, but 10 times faster. The only question is, will you be on the side that benefits from it, or the side that gets left behind? You now have the tools. You now have the knowledge. The only thing left is to start. If this video helped you, please subscribe for weekly videos that will change your financial life. And comment below, which tool are you going to try first? See you in the next video.